friends, it's me Veronica today, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out some false lashes from the drugstore, and one pair is from AliExpress. AliExpress is very inexpensive for lashes. I have found a few that are like $1. Sometimes they're even under $1, so you can beat the price, and I use them and I really like them. But the ones that I have here I haven't tried, so we're going to be trying them out and you'll be the judge. So you'll let me know down in the comments below which one you like the best. Hola mis amigos, soy Verónica y en este video del día de hoy vamos a estar tratando pestañas postizas de la farmacia. Todas las compré en la tienda Walmart excepto por un par que compré en AliExpress y son muy baratas. Ahí en AliExpress te puedes comprar como 5 pares por más o menos $1 o algo así, pero el día de hoy vamos a estar usando de todas estas que están aquí, que pueden ver. So if you want to see this video, then just keep on watching. Sigamos viendo. And the ones that I'm currently wearing right now, it's this one here, this brand. It's your Flatter Lashes Makeup Shayla at Makeup Shayla limited edition. This one's, I got them on a box a long time ago. Okay, so I'm going to be using the sample that came with the Kiss packet that had the scissors and the tweezers. That was this one here that I already opened. Ya lo abrí porque pues ustedes saben, a veces pienso que estoy grabando con micrófono y resulta de que no estaba grabando con micrófono. Sometimes I think I'm recording with and I have my microphone on, and guess what? I don't. So that's what happened. That's why this is already opened. But anyway, let's get started. I'm going to be cutting it from the outside. Never cut them from the inside because then they will not look like natural. Nunca las corten de la orilla porque si no la cortan de la orilla de aquí, no se van a ver naturales. So voy a ver, lo voy a medir. I'm going to measure this. Voy a medir a mi ojo. With that, I'm going to put it on my eye to see how much I have to trim. Ahí está. This is what it looks like. This is like your own lashes, but better. So that was the one that came in the packet, the kit that had the scissors, the tweezers, the glue, and what else? And even a mirror. It has a little mirror right there. So this one was like $8 or so. And this is how I do it. I just put it like that. Remember, this video is not about applying lashes. It's about trying on some lashes, okay? Like I said, I'm not a pro at applying false lashes, so keep that in mind. And I'm not using glue. Ooh, I'm glad. Yeah, this one I don't have to trim at all because it's pretty. It's my size. And these are gonna be dramatic for me, but let's try them on. Estas van a ser dramáticas para mí. Estas se llaman Flirty, son de la marca Kiss, y todas estas valen como no más de $3. This one is no more than $3, like 2 something at Walmart, en la tienda Walmart. Ouch. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? What happened? Okay. Así se ven. Okay, so voy a agarrar la del ojo derecho. I'm gonna grab my right eye. And I can already see that this one I have to trim because it looks big for my eyeball. So let me just measure somewhat, and I usually have to cut like 2 strings of hair. Yep, 2. So let me do, and remember to cut the outside. I throw it in the center. The Salon Perfect Wispies, and these are on the natural side as well. So let's see. This one I don't remember how much they cost, but they were about $5 or so. I don't have to trim this. I can already see they're pretty small. So don't buy this brand, Salon Perfect. They were $5 or $6, and they are, it says 100% natural hair, but they came off. I was just pulling them from the side to take it off the box, you know, take it off the little tray, and the hairs are just coming out. Like these hairs are coming out from the side. So don't buy them. Anyway, I'm gonna try it on. Anyway, it's gonna be pretty short now, probably. Hopefully I can fix it. If it is not too short, I can probably still work with it. I mean, it's still going to work because my eyeball's pretty small, but I don't like the fact, and they're pretty natural looking. Right there, you can see they're pretty natural looking. Don't mind my eye makeup, please. So this is obviously a for a more dramatic look, and this is for a more natural look. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to make this one work. I'll just trim the other one the same size as this one, and I'll have another pair because I don't want it to go to waste. Come on, $6, almost $6, 5 something plus tax. That's $6. Y se me salieron los pelitos cuando lo estaba cortando, so eso no me gustó. Como cheap, como barato. Anyway, pero sí puedo trabajar con ellas. Okay, so el siguiente par es, we're gonna leave the most dramatic for the last, and this is the one from AliExpress, and they don't really have a name. It says every girl can be so beautiful. Fashion eyelashes, pure handmade, 5 pairs. And it says, I don't know, it has a number here, 10388. And I don't know if that's the number that you can find it. If I find them on AliExpress, I will link it down below, but I bought them a long time ago. I don't think they will be there. But if you go on AliExpress.com, you just put false lashes, and you will see tons and tons and tons of them for $1, over $1, and under $1. Estas las encuentran en AliExpress y las pueden encontrar en aliexpress.com por $1, y no solamente le ponen pestañas postizas, ahí les va a salir de $1 y más de $1 y de menos de $1. Yo a veces ya ni siquiera me las mido porque yo ya sé cuánto les tengo que cortar. Sometimes I don't even measure them on my eye anymore because I already know how much I have to cut. And it looks like this one I'm gonna need glue because this one doesn't have glue, so I'm gonna use the one that came on the Kiss kit for beginners. And I'm gonna, ooh, I like this. Comes with a little applicator. You have to wait at least 60 seconds to wait until the glue dries, or not dries but gets tacky, so it'll be easier to apply them. but I don't think I waited that long. No creo que esperé los 60 segundos para que el glue se hiciera tacky, pegajosito, pero así le voy a calar. Y esta fue la única que le puse glue. This is the only pair that I put glue on. La diferencia de un ojo con pestaña y del otro sin pestaña. The difference between one eye with false lash and the other one with no false lash. AliExpress, por $1 no puedes quejarte. For $1 you can complain. And it's not just one pair, it's 5. Okay, so next one and the last one. I'm gonna leave this one on because these are dramatic for me. This is the last pair we're gonna use. Mink Effect Lashes Cosmetic London Allure Luxie. Ooh, okay, reusable. This brand on my right eye and AliExpress on my left. So I would buy this definitely again, and of course my Kiss brand that I will not give away, and Ritz, I think it's Ritz or Ritzy, the name of the one that I like to wear. Okay, so that was it for this video. Esto fue todo por este video. A mí la que me encantó más que ninguna fue esta de aquí. Esta cuesta más o menos como $8 o algo así at Walmart. This one cost around $8 or so at Walmart, and this is my favorite one, like I said already. And don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite, number 1, number 2, number 3. Yeah, just let me know down below, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. So if you